happens when a gaming beast meets a compact OLED tablet with flagship-level features. Meet the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 3 Pro, a device that not only pushes mobile gaming to the next level, but surprises with powerhouse specs, lightning-fast charging, and a stunning 165Hz OLED display. But is it perfect? From blazing performance to a few unexpected display quirks, we're breaking it all down. Stay tuned till the end. You won't want to miss this deep dive into one of the most exciting gaming tablets of the year. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The model we're reviewing features the sleek blade transparent Dark Knight finish. It continues Red Magic's signature transparent design language on the back, complete with the iconic RGB cooling fan, combining gaming aesthetics with functional cooling. Interestingly, there's no obvious air vent, so we're guessing the outlet is integrated near the speaker grille. Despite the performance-focused design, the device is incredibly compact, weighing just 370 grams. It's even small enough to slip into your pants pocket. Holding it with one hand feels much more comfortable compared to those bulky 12.3-inch tablets. Despite its compact body, the ultra-narrow bezel design allows for a generous 9.06-inch display with a 16:10 aspect ratio, offering both immersion and portability. The power button doubles as a fingerprint scanner, integrating convenience with security. The charging port follows an asymmetrical layout, ensuring that even when you're gaming while charging, your grip and gameplay remain uninterrupted. Red Magic has also opted for a completely flat display design. The rear camera module sits flush with the surface, with only the flash slightly raised, barely noticeable. This means the tablet rests evenly on flat surfaces without wobbling, so whether you're gaming on a desk or watching content, the experience stays smooth and stable. From the design alone, it's clear that the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 3 Pro isn't just a compact tablet. It's a thoughtful piece of engineering. And while it may look sleek and minimal, don't be fooled. This tablet proudly carries gaming in its name, and performance is undoubtedly the star of the show. Let's dive into the core specs. The Red Magic Gaming Tablet 3 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with ultra-fast LPDDR5T RAM and UFS 4.1 Pro storage. That's some serious firepower packed into a small form factor. When it comes to thermal management, it features the Ice Magic cooling system, including a double-layered DC liquid metal setup and an active cooling fan spinning at 20,000 RPM. With those specs on paper, it's time to put it to the test. Let's fire up Genshin Impact and see what it can really do. We followed our standard testing protocol and recorded an average frame rate of 60.9 FPS, with power consumption averaging around 6.5 watts. Once the test concluded, the tablet's surface temperature was impressively controlled, just 38.3 degrees Celsius on the body and as low as 34.4 degrees on the screen. The heat is intelligently concentrated in a central zone, so when gaming in landscape mode, your hands stay cool and comfortable. Even when we bumped up the resolution to 1080p, the Red Magic handled it with ease. No signs of struggle. The frame rate graph confirms this, showing only occasional dips, briefly dropping to around 53 FPS. Its 1% low frame rate still held strong at 52 FPS, indicating excellent frame stability. Overall, the tablet dynamically adjusts performance based on real-time load, delivering power where and when it's needed. The Red Magic dynamically adjusts CPU frequency and usage in real time, optimizing performance based on demand. That said, we do hope future versions can eliminate those occasional micro stutters. Now onto the real stress test. Honkai Star Rail, a game known for pushing hardware to its limits. We tested during the high-intensity golden hour sprint scenario with resolution set to 1080p and overall graphics quality maxed out. This was no light workload. Even under such demanding conditions, the Red Magic delivered an average power draw of 10.8 watts, while maintaining a smooth 60.2 FPS. What's even more impressive, the 1% low frame rate held steady at 51.5 FPS, and the frame rate curve remained remarkably stable, nearly flat throughout. Among all the devices we've tested, few, if any, have managed to maintain such consistently high 1% low frame rate in this title. Very few mobile devices can even exceed 40 FPS in this game, which speaks volumes. This might just be the most powerful handheld device for Honkai Star Rail. Of course, high performance comes with high power consumption, and heat generation is inevitable. At the end of our test, The hottest point on the chip reached 51.3 degrees Celsius. Thankfully, that heat zone is well away from where your hands naturally rest, so it only feels mildly warm during use, never uncomfortably hot. We also checked the GPU stats. It averaged 75.2 degrees Celsius, with a usage rate of around 80.9%, meaning it wasn't even running at full throttle. Even more impressive, both GPU performance curves remained stable throughout, indicating the Red Magic can sustain this level of performance over time without throttling. In short, the gaming performance here is seriously strong. Given its impressive performance, we pushed the limits further by testing Honkai Star Rail in 2K resolution. Using split-screen mode at a full resolution of 2400 by 1504, we ran the game for several minutes. Power consumption quickly spiked to 14.8 watts, with the GPU operating at full capacity, a constant 100% usage. The GPU temperature soared to 96 degrees Celsius. Despite all that power, the frame rate averaged only 46.6 FPS. This clearly indicates that the Red Magic hasn't been specifically optimized for this extreme scenario. To be fair, this level of load is beyond typical usage. For daily gaming, forcing 2K resolution isn't recommended. That said, beyond these two demanding titles, like the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 3 Pro is well optimized for many mainstream games. For instance, PUBG Mobile supports a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and Honor of Kings offers a 90Hz exclusive high refresh mode, ensuring a fluid and immersive gameplay experience. Additionally, the tablet comes equipped with X-axis linear motors, charging bypass support, super resolution, super frame features, a built-in PC emulator, and more. It also debuts the industry's first Synopsys touch chip, enabling an ultra-fast 2000 Hz instantaneous touch sampling rate. This significantly enhances touch accuracy and reduces the chance of missed inputs during gameplay. Gaming isn't its only strength. The Red Magic Gaming Tablet 3 Pro also delivers impressive performance across other areas, making it a well-rounded device. Display-wise, the tablet features an OLED panel that delivers a noticeably better experience for video playback. It supports a 165Hz refresh rate, which provides excellent smoothness and responsiveness, even in the default mode. In terms of brightness, it offers a global peak of around 650 nits, while HDR content can push that up to approximately 1100 nits. When it comes to color accuracy, we tested 3 display modes, and the standard mode delivered the best results. However, it's worth noting that this screen still falls short of top-tier flagship OLED displays, particularly in viewing angles. While the screen looks great when viewed head-on, shifting the angle can cause noticeable color shifts. This may be due to its pixel arrangement, which doesn't follow the typical diamond-like pattern, and includes a higher number of blue subpixels. As for battery life, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 3 Pro houses the largest battery in its size category, coming in at 8,200 mAh. It's also the fastest charging tablet of its size, supporting up to 80 watts fast charging, a rare combination of capacity and speed. The Red Magic Gaming Tablet 3 Pro, featuring 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, is priced starting at 466.99 yuan in China. When converted, that's approximately £483 in the UK and around $654 in the USA. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Also, don't forget to follow us on X for the latest updates and insights from the world of technology. Thanks for watching, have an amazing day, keep smiling, and I'll catch you in the next one.